Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what they are thinking about you right now. So pick a card reading. So you have to choose the card whichever you are drawn to. You can choose multiple cards also, but for multiple people, not for the same person. For multiple people you can choose multiple piles, different piles. So let's get into the reading. For pile number 1, who choose blue pile, what they are thinking about you right now. So pile number 1, what they are thinking about you right now. So pile number 1, they are thinking to leave the situation. Maybe you have some misunderstanding. Some little bit misunderstandings are going on. So pile number 1, you have some misunderstanding. So they want to speak about it, or they want to discuss with you regarding that misunderstanding. They want to clear it out. Whether they want to stay in that relationship or friendship or not, but they want to clear it out. They want to discuss about it. It is not about normal discussion. Actually they want to fight. So there may be some conflicts is there because of some misunderstanding. So they want to come towards you and want to clear that misunderstanding, or they want to fight about it, or the thing is they don't want to leave the situation. They want to fight for it, and they are not ready to move to the calmer water. They don't want to sit idle, or they don't want to take it as an easy thing. They want to fight for it. So there may be some conflict. They want to come towards you, and they want to fight regarding this. Whatever misunderstanding or whatever situation is there, they want to fight for it. So this is what they are thinking right now. This is the current energy, so it will be changed for after some time. It is not permanent energy. Okay. So let's move on to pile number 2, who choose white pile. What they are thinking about you right now. Pile number 2, they are thinking that it is not easy to get married or get to be in the commitment. It is very difficult to come into commitment or making it as a long-term relationship, whatever situation. So they are thinking that it is not possible. It is very difficult to make this as a long term. So right now their thoughts are a bit negative. They are not much happy about the situation. So they are thinking that it is very difficult to move forward, taking this situation or relationship towards forward, or towards the commitment. They are thinking that it is very difficult to do that. So right now their thoughts are a bit negative about the relationship. So As of now, they are feeling that it is not possible to be together for the long time. So this is what they are thinking right now. So let's move on to pile number 3, who choose red pile. What they are thinking about you right now. So pile number 3, they are feeling very burdened. So today's piles are really very not so, it is not about good or bad, but not so satisfied cards. So pile number 3, whoever choose pile number 3, red pile. So that your person is thinking that it is very painful situation, or the situation is ended. There is nothing left in this situation or relationship. So it is finally ended, and they are feeling very, very, very painful about whatever happened. So it is kind of death. It is over. Nothing is left, and that ending also very painful ending. They had some painful ending. They are thinking about that painful ending. So your relationship is over, or your situation, whatever matter, whatever happened in between you, that is very painful to them. And he finally realized that it is ended, and it is very painful. It is ended, and is not. It is he, her is totally in the pain. Currently, they are in lot of pain because of that ending, that hurtful ending, painful ending. They are very, very much in sorrow or sadness. So let's move on to pile number 4, who choose green pile. What they are thinking about you right now. So pile number 4, they are not much passionate about this relationship. They are doing their work. They are not concentrating any kind of relationship or situationship or friendships. They are just concentrating on themselves. Or you can say they lost the passion. They are not passionate about it. They are simply concentrating on different things. They are not at all thinking about these things, or they are not at all thinking about you. They are simply concentrating in other things, or they lose the passion towards you, I can say. Let's move on to pile number 5, who choose yellow pile. What they are thinking about you right now. So pile number 5. So right now they are thinking that they want to work on this relationship or friendship, whatever situation. So right now they are thinking about you, or they are thinking about this relationship, and they want to work on it. They don't want to give up. They want to put effort on it. They want to make it as a successful. So they are really thinking about to working on it with your support. So pile number 5, currently they are thinking to work on it. So if you are also ready to work on it, so they are ready to come towards you and work on this. Whatever situation is there, they are ready to put efforts and work with you. They are ready to work with you. Thank you for watching. For more readings, like and subscribe. These all are short readings. So for in-depth and personal readings, you can contact me. You will find the details in description box.